Hi, this is Stephanie with CableOrganizer.com, and I want to show you the Kendall Howard wall-mounted CPU bracket. This is great for getting your CPUs and computer towers up off the floor, away from damage such as flooding or accidental spills. They come in two different sizes. This is a 7.25 inch width, but it also comes in a 4.25 inch width as well. They're lightweight, they're only 17 pounds, so they can be mounted to the wall by one person. Made of 14 gauge steel, so it's very, very durable. And it also comes with a hook and loop wrap here so that you can secure the CPU to the bracket. So be sure to check out the Kendall Howard CPU bracket at CableOrganizer.com.